Now we're on our way to Cambridge. So this train is for Cambridge. So it's a train that
Welcome to this service
departed
for
from Liverpool
Cambridge
Street.
North. We will be calling at Bishop Stortford, Audley End, Whittlesford Parkway, Cambridge, and Cambridge North.
That's it, yeah. This train started from London Liverpool Street and it will terminate at Cambridge North. But we'll stop at Cambridge. That's where the proper train station is. So I'll get you there soon.
The next stop will be Bishop Stortford.
You can take a train to Cambridge at different station at London. You can do a London Liverpool Street. You can take as well the London King's Cross. The London King's Cross train is the fast train that goes straight to Cambridge. But if you take this train, the Liverpool Street train, it will stop several stations for you to get to Cambridge. But this is convenient for me, so I'm taking this train to Cambridge. So I'll tour you around how do you take a public transport to Cambridge. We're arriving at Bishop Stortford. So this is one of the station that this train stops. So this is a historical old town of Bishop Stortford. Lovely blue sky today.
Audley End. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Yeah, we're approaching Audley End. The famous Audley End mansion is located in this place. It's a very historical small town as well.
Parkway. Please mind the gap between the train. Welcome to this service for Cambridge North.
Now we're approaching Cambridge.
We are now approaching Cambridge. If you see something, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
So this is the main Cambridge station. Yeah, so this is the Cambridge station. But this train that I took, this train will terminate at Cambridge North. This is a new industrial estate that they've added in the city of Cambridge. So this train, this is a new station that they've extended. So all the train now will terminate at Cambridge North. But you only, if you want to just stay or come to Cambridge, just ask the ticket that you only for Cambridge. This is the information there, assistance. And this is the exit. So these are the destination. You got London Liverpool Street there. There's Brighton, London King's Cross, Kings Lynn, King's Cross, Ipswich, and you got one from Stansted Airport. So they're all the journey of the train. And this is the ticketing office here at Cambridge. As you come out at the train station, this is what you see. Here, there's a new building over there. People are coming out. And that's the way. You turn left to get into the buses. So this way is for the bus. That's the picture of the train station. So this is where the bus stands are. So you can choose which bus that you take. There's a bus that takes you to the city center. There's a sightseeing bus stand, and there's a bus that takes you to Addenbrooke's hospital, which we are going to. So we're gonna take a bus, the U bus that take you to Addenbrooke's hospital. There are a few buses here that takes you to Addenbrooke's hospital, but the U one is the quick one, the quickest one to the destination. That's where we come from. So as you come out from the train station, you turn left, and this is the way where the buses are. The public buses are here. So the other side and this side as well. So you can just look at the bus stand, and all is written there which part you're going to. I'll take that's to Addenbrooke's hospital, which is this one. Bus stop 1. So this bus to the city center. It's a nice blue sky today. We're still waiting for my bus to take me to Addenbrooke's hospital. This is my bus stop. Here we go. This is my bus that takes me to Addenbrooke's U-bus. Here we are in the bus station. That's Papworth Hospital there. The Royal Papworth Hospital. We're now in the vicinity of Addenbrooke's Hospital. Yeah, this is the bus stop where we are. Here we are, we're in Addenbrooke's Hospital now. So this is where the bus stop is. So that's from the main entrance. This is the accident and emergency area. So this is the main road to get into the hospital where the bus is. So if you go straight there and walk through there, all the wards over there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See, I'm finished visiting in Addenbrooke, so I'm on my way back to the train station. And I'm just going back to the bus stop. Just outside the outpatient department is your bus stop. Now I'm on the bus back to the train station. This is still part of Addenbrooke's campus.
Approaching Addenbrooke Way. Next stop Long Road 6th Form Col. Approaching Robinson Way. First school.
Here we go, we're back at the railway station. So that's it, this is way back to the railway station. So the bus just stopped there in the other direction. And now we're back to the railway station. Cambridge station. Where's my train? London. So this train here is going to London King's Cross. So this is not the train we're taking. We're taking the train that goes to London Liverpool Street. So this is a fast train, this one. Straight to London King's Cross from here, from Cambridge to London King's Cross. This is a fast train. Yeah, that's a London King's Cross train. Incoming. And that's it. Goodbye.